Hello and welcome to Docplexus News. Dr. Tejas Patel, a cardiologist, created history by performing an angioplasty on a middle-aged woman who was in the operating theatre of his Apex hospital around 32 kilometers away. The procedure was carried out by an internet-enabled robotic arm at the cath lab in the OT, which was operated by the doctor remotely. It is the world's first in-human tele-robotic coronary intervention. After the surgery, Dr. Patel stated that today the patient was 32 kilometers away. Tomorrow, using the same technology, it will be possible for expert hands to operate on patients anywhere in the state, country and world. This has the power to transform coronary interventions in practice and beyond. The government of Himachal Pradesh is planning to frame a policy which, if implemented, will make it mandatory for doctors completing their post-graduation from state medical colleges to serve within the state for at least 5 years. This initiative has been taken as state is struggling to appoint specialists in the rural and remote areas. FDA has recently approved the marketing of tests to detect cytomegalovirus in neonates. The test system will be used as an aid to diagnose congenital cytomegalovirus infection by detecting cytomegalovirus DNA from a saliva swab. Test results are to be used only in combination with other diagnostic tests and clinical information. A team of researchers led by Dr. Ravi Durvasula, professor at the Loyola University Chicago, has generated 6 Zika virus antibodies that may help in diagnosis as well as treatment of the mosquito-borne disease. These new antibodies may have the dual utility of diagnosing the Zika virus subtypes and treating Zika virus infection. This new antibody is a Y-shaped protein made by the immune system. Brazilian doctors recently reported world's first baby born to a woman with a uterus transplanted from a deceased donor. The previous 10 attempts using deceased donor had failed in Turkey and USA. The Brazilian experts said that using uterus from women who has died can make more transplants possible. Transportation of harvested organs and emergency medical supplies via drones may soon be a reality in India. The draft civil aviation requirement for the drone ports at hospitals will be issued at the Global Aviation Summit on January 15th in Mumbai. The use of drones will be under specially created digital airspace. The Central Mental Health Authority will now monitor and regulate all the mental health institutions in the country. The primary duties of CMHA will include registration of clinicians, ensuring availability of medication, developing quality and service provision norms, and providing advice to the Center on Mental Health Care and Services. The aim of CMHA is to ensure that all provisions in the Mental Health Care Act are duly followed. We are happy to share that Docplexus community is more than 300,000 doctors strong. Thank you for your continuous trust and support in our mission to empower doctors. These were the latest happenings in the medical field brought to you by Docplexus, one of the largest online communities of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Thursday at 6 p.m. Happy Docplexing!